Hi, hello, welcome to Ira Padua's. Today is yet another episode, and we're back with poetry. Along with poetry, we have something very interesting. I thought I'd share something very refreshing and very healthy to some of you if you want. Perhaps some of you would know, or rather most of you would know, but I thought I'd share something that makes my morning every day. Apart from the usual tea and coffee, here's something very healthy and refreshing. It's the matcha milk, or like the world will call it, the matcha tea. So after the poetry reading, we shall see how that's done. So speaking of the poetry, the poem was written to foreground the relationship, perhaps a lasting and an enduring relationship between a human and a pinecone. That it is in the little things the purpose of life is found. And in tune with nature is healing in itself. So let's dive into the poem. Reaching out. A swirl and then a dance it should have been, before that bill and coo amidst greener pastures by the banks. There she was, basking in gentle glory of you-know-who. She had just fallen, another pinecone, pregnant and full, into the lush beds of everything old and new. The nature's winged fairy. Fresh off the tree and dripping, those notes finely chirped like in a riverbed. It was weaved and tiered, sketched and honed, a perfect ensemble, all in a hue of brown. Oh, and the smell of earth taking form. Such little trinkets. It was one of my first, and now might be. A pine cone virtue, poised to have my whole in heed. She the sustainer of life without curtails. For over a decade, or at times more so, before a promise is known to life. So bold and brawny. A reaching out into my shady abode and doing away with the soiled turf of a cloak. Such steadfastness to an apprehensive soul, to educate the world and much more, and a reaching out for yours truly. Today, holding her in my palm is happiness, and counting for more a blessing, to yonder and beyond, for posterity. some of you to brighten your day and helpful to many. And with the hope that the episode was productive and helpful, or at least refreshing. Until the next, bye-bye. Take care.